drink any coffee, but I love the smell it brings. And there's this small cafe in town where everybody sings. They told me that the college town would be the place to be. But if you ask me what I think, I would disagree. 'Cause I feel alone. But there's one place that makes me feel at home, the Solid Rock Cafe. I walk into the coffee shop and hear the doorbell ring. And then I get a bagel with cream cheese and everything. I didn't really need the food, just the company. Sometimes just a simple wave is all a person needs. And I found a place where people know my name and know my face, the Solid Rock Cafe. Of all the settings I've been in, the few that I've been listening are those at this small cafe. And though my dreams might seem too big, they all assure me I should